One of the other questions that we get at technical team is how do we insulate boilers or meter on external wall? Boilers or meters can pose a problem for the installers because we cannot insulate around them and we cannot omit them because if we omit them it will create a cold spot. So these fixtures are generally in a box-like structures or in cupboards. So we tell the installers to insulate in the cupboard, on the sides and on the back of the door, just to make sure that it does not create any cold spot, and they can do it without reveal boards. Another way that it can be done if they are not in the cupboard, we recommend them to insulate around it or make a box with our reveal boards. It will be a better way and it can actually prevent thermal bridging.